How to buy Harmony token 1. Beginner's Guide. What is Harmony? 1. Harmony is a blockchain platform designed to facilitate the creation and use of decentralized applications (dApps). The network aims to innovate the way decentralized applications work by focusing on random state sharding, which allows creating blocks in seconds. According to the project's website, Harmony is expected to introduce cross-shard contracts and a cross-chain infrastructure by the end of 2021. Who are the founders of Harmony? Stephen Zay is the founder and CEO of Harmony. He has a PhD from the University of Pennsylvania, specializing in cryptographic protocols and type theory. While finishing his degree, Dr. Zay became a research intern at Microsoft. In 2006 he started working as a senior engineer at Google, spending 4 years in the company. In 2011 he founded Spotsetter, a successful search engine which Apple later acquired. In 2014, Dr. Zay became the principal engineer for Apple. He founded Harmony in 2017. The Harmony founding team comprises 12 people, with 7 of them being former employees at Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. What makes Harmony unique? Focusing on processing speed and validation, the Harmony mainnet aims to revolutionize block creation. By introducing the sharding process, the company reduced node validation time significantly. To ensure the protection of nodes and secure the validation process, Harmony introduced the Verifiable Random Function (VRF) for unbiased and unpredictable shard membership. This means that nodes and validators are assigned and reassigned in a randomized manner. The project's Harmony Grants program is an initiative that aims to support innovation and attract developers to the Harmony mainnet. How many Harmony 1 coins are there in circulation? Harmony 1 has a maximum supply of 12,600,000,000 tokens. As of February 2021, the circulating supply on the market is about 9,486,327,268 Out of the total supply of 1 tokens, 22.4% were dedicated to the initial seed sale. Another 12.5% were set aside for an additional launchpad sale. The Harmony founding team and developers received 16.9% of the total supply. About 26.4% of 1 tokens were dedicated to protocol development, while another 21.8% were directed towards ecosystem development. How is the Harmony network secured? Harmony introduces a new version of the proof-of-stake (POS) consensus. Called Effective Proof of Stake (EPOS), this method allows simultaneous staking from hundreds of validators. This consensus method was developed in accordance with the sharding concept utilized in the Harmony network. Unlike proof-of-work (POW) consensus mechanisms, EPOS is designed for faster processing times and improved scalability. While POW requires a lot of electrical and computing power, staking consensus methods rely on an abundance of value holders, who become validators. Harmony is also looking to boost staking incentives to attract more node operators. The Harmony Open Staking Initiative encourages interaction with the network and incentivizes stakeholders with the highest amount of 1 tokens. Quick guide: how to buy 1 get some Bitcoin to exchange for this cryptocurrency. Register for an account with an exchange like Binance. Enable 2-factor authentication. Click on Funds, and select Deposits. Select Deposit Coin. Copy the wallet address or scan the QR code. Transfer BTC into your account. Click Exchange, and select Basic. Search for the pair you want to trade. Select a limit, market or stop limit order. Enter the amount you want to buy. Review transaction details. Confirm your purchase. Where to buy 1. Comparing exchanges can help you find the right fit for your needs. We've looked at more than 20 exchanges, and you can sort our comparison table by deposit method, fiat currency support and crypto support. You can find 1 tokens on the following crypto in the video description.